Hello, and welcome back to the channel again. We're in Lucca now. So we left Pisa about 45 minutes ago and now we've travelled to Lucca. So we're going to explore Lucca. Like I say, I'm not sure whether this is going to be one video or maybe two videos with Pisa and Lucca. We'll see how we go. So if you want to join us, please carry on and watch the video and we'll see you around Lucca. Surrounded by 2.5 miles of walls, that's what she told us. Defensive walls. Città di Lucca. Pandorica.
Nice coffee, but I'm alright food-wise at the minute.
Beautiful example of the shop. Maybe take care. Make at the time
Oh yeah? Is that? So we have a statue of Puccini. So I'm taking this is the big square she was on about. So this is St. Michael's Square. Bank. Right, we're going to have a look in the church. Yeah. That's a great look in the church. We'll carry on exploring. There is like a mummified body in a glass coffin in there, which you might see, but I don't know who it is because we haven't got the tour guide with us. So we'll carry on exploring. The old windows have got iron bars on, haven't they? Yeah. Is it a dodgy area or is it? No, they're very old, them. Yeah, plenty of iron bars, isn't there? Good bit of security. So we've got another square down here. Cafeteria. Bet you've had a look in the churches. Had a nice iced coffee, that little cafeteria there. Yeah, like I say, it's all stems from medieval time, these iron bars though, don't they? Yeah. Yeah. Yes, there's some age in these walls, isn't there? Like you say? So there must be some frontage to that somewhere, so we'll go down that way. Yes, they're very narrow streets, aren't they? No, it isn't where we thought we were. Thought we were in the square with Puccini in it. There's certainly some churches and basilicas, isn't there? It has got some history. All buildings too close, you can't get any proper footage of them. Is this your main shopping street? Is it like an old... yeah. Can't really see through windows. Well, the Italian shoes and that now. It's like a coliseum, isn't it, really? Oval shaped, isn't it? Yeah. We put some money in his basket. Accordion player. Right. It does, doesn't it? Yes, it's got better. It's got better.
It's a nice way.
Yeah. Well, I must admit it's got better from what the first bit we saw. Yeah, it is just like an oval street that goes around that central, yeah, where all cafes are. Yeah, we'll head in that direction if we can find out how to get to it, where the tower is. So nice looking church. I think we've had us full of churches and basilicas today. The bell tower. Better view of the bell tower. The back of the basilica. We're on a quiet part, We've got a car coming though. Got a bit of gridlock, too many buses. We've got gridlock in Lucca.
Another car.
Well, we've got a map but we ain't got a clue where we are. It's like a maze. I think there's maybe that main street we walked down coming in. I think. We've got that first square. So we managed to get back to the square with the churches. We entered this boat when we first got here. So we're going to try this road now. Not been down this one. Tell you it's like a maze. It's a lovely place though. First impressions, it's got better. See that bit of graffiti wrote in. I don't know what it says, but looks very old. Yeah, it's that road there we come down, yeah.
Right, well, you can catch me up. I know it's straight down, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm coming anyway, so. Let's look at the little square. Just on the fortification wall, near enough a meeting point down there where buses are. Just see what I can see from up here. Can't see too much actually. I'm going to leave this video here just with the Lucca in the background. I'm up on the fortification wall. I'm not sure whether the video is going to be of both places we've been today, Pisa and Lucca, or there may be two different videos. So it's our last full day here. Somebody's decided to toot their own, typical Italian way. The weather has held up. It did give rain this afternoon, so we've done well with the rain, but the wind's got up. So we've got to be up early in the morning. We've got to be at Pisa Airport, and we fly out at 10:15 in the morning. So it'll be probably 5:30, 6 o'clock get up in the morning. So I hope you've enjoyed this, watching these videos from Italy. And if you haven't caught up with these series, there'll be a playlist. And also, if you like the videos, don't forget to do the normal YouTube stuff. And we'll see you in the next video. I'm not sure where we're going to be or what we're going to be doing. So until the next video, bye for now. and please leave us a comment. Bye.